Back in 2014, BMW celebrated the 30th anniversary of the original M5 with a limited run of 300 special editions called the 30-jar M5, jar being the German word for years. Then, in 2016, BMW celebrated the M3's 30th birthday with 500 copies of a special 30-jar M3. This year, because two dormies are now called M4s, BMW decided to celebrate the M3 Convertible's 30th anniversary with a 300-unit run of the BMW M4 Convertible Edition 30-jar. Of the 300 anniversary edition M4 convertibles, BMW says only 30 will come to the States. Among those, 20 will be painted Macau blue, and another 10 will be Mandarin 2 yellow. US pricing has yet to be announced, but considering the 30th anniversary these cost nearly $20,000 more than the base M3, don't be surprised if BMW M4 Convertible Edition 30-jar prices top $90,000. And that's before dealer markup. For your money, you'll get a lot more than a base M4, though. All anniversary edition M4s include the $4,250 competition package that adds 19 horsepower, sharper steering, and adaptive suspension, and sportier software settings. Instead of wheels typically included in the competition package, the anniversary edition gets 20-inch matte gray alloys. The grille, side vents, and the lettering all get BMW's individual high-gloss shadow line treatment. Inside, BMW will offer different color combinations depending on the exterior paint color. Macau blue cars will get either a blue on black or silver on black theme, while Mandarin 2 yellow cars will only be available with yellow accented black interiors. The cars will also get 30-jar edition badging on the dorsal, the passenger dash, and each headrest. In addition to the badging, the passenger dash will also show which of the 300 cars you're driving. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.